Actor Sushant Singh Rajput passed away on 14 June 2020. Well, Sushant की डेथ ने जैसे पूरी बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री को हिला दिया हो. Debate about favoritism, nepotism, बॉलीवुड के स्टार किड्स, everything came into limelight. well, इस पूरे फियास्को के बीच में एक ऐसी एक्ट्रेस, एक ऐसी अदाकारा जो बढ़ चढ़ के सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की डेथ के बारे में बात कर रही थी, वो थी कंगना रनौत. लेकिन स्टिल देखा जाए, वो कुछ ऐसे मुद्दों के बारे में बात कर रही थी जहाँ पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ वो इन्वॉल्व रही. काफी सारे फैंस ने ये पिन पॉइंट किया कि कंगना रनौत सिर्फ और सिर्फ उन कलाकारों का नाम ले रही हैं, बॉलीवुड बिगीज का नाम ले रही हैं जिनके साथ उनका इशू रहा है, लेकिन एक्चुअल मुद्दे में जो इन्वॉल्व हैं उनका नाम वो नहीं ले रही हैं. Well, Kangana Ranaut's interview in a leading portal created a stir in the industry. Well, she spoke about nepotism while she supported late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. His fans demanded justice for Sushant Singh Rajput, and Kangana Ranaut was somebody who kept on asking for it. Without mincing words, the actress gave out names of the people from the industry, urging the officials in charge of SSR's case to summon them for investigation. Well, Kangana also said that she wants to come out and talk about it more. She wanted the police to summon her, and she also said that she's been waiting for a call from the police station. But no one came. While some stars from the Bollywood TV industry chose to remain silent on it, few of them spoke and supported Kangana for her fierceness. Well, one such actress who supported Kangana Ranaut in her words and in whatever she was saying in support of Sushant Singh Rajput was our very own Kasauti Zindagi ki lead, Erica Fernandez, who plays the role of Prerna Basu. Erica, who's winning hearts with the portrayal of Prerna in popular TV show Kasauti Zindagi Ki, supports Kangana Ranaut. The actress appreciated the Manikarnika actress' guts to speak about it and raise her voice regarding this ongoing debate on nepotism. Well, in a virtual interaction with a leading person, when asked about if she's crazy about Kangana, Erica shared, "Kangana, I like Kangana. Yes, I also admire her, but I'm a huge fan of Deepika. But I love Kangana for her. I think she has guts. She has the guts to talk about any given thing." Adding further, she says, she calls a spade a spade. She just says it like that. On the work front, after co-star Parth Samthan tested COVID positive, followed by 3 more members of the team of the TV show Kasauti Zindagi Ki, Erica Fernandez decided that she'll be shooting from home. The actress is working almost 12 hours daily, making sure she fulfills her work commitments and doesn't leave the makers as well as her audience disappointed. Erica also shared about the same on her Instagram stories and her Instagram post. Well, it seems like Sushant Singh Rajput ke death ki news has become like a huge fiasco right now. A huge bubble that is to be bursted out very soon. काफी सारी नई चीजें रोज ऐड होती हैं, कोई न्यू रेवोल्यूशन सामने आती है और पता चलता है कि इस कहानी में ये भी चैप्टर रहा है. Now the only question is, what is going to come out as the result of Sushant Singh Rajput's case? Will we ever get to know what actually happened with the late actor? Or this is also going to just shut down very soon? आप हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना मत भूलिएगा if you also agree with Erica Fernandez and you think that Kangana Ranaut really has guts to speak about such issues, or if you also feel like the other audience of ours that Kangana Ranaut is trying to play safe and is only pinpointing those people in Bollywood who actually tampered her image in the Bollywood industry. Until then, stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the more updates for the Tele world.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.